there, this is the mechanics laboratory. It is open Mondays and Tuesdays from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. And from Wednesdays to Fridays, it is open from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. Then there is a break, and after that break, it is open again from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. If you want to come, it is important for you to ask Victor, the laboratory engineer, if you can, because if there is class, you will not be able to enter. Women and men must use jeans that covers the whole leg. This means that you cannot use shorts or skirts or dresses. Also, you need to use a blue coat all the time. And these coats, you can find them right here. Also, in some areas you need to use safety glasses and also safety shoes, like in the heat treatment area and also the melting one. Here in the lab you need to follow some rules, and you can find them right here. The most important ones are that you cannot drink or eat or smoke. Also, you need to follow the dress code, and if you have a backpack, you need to put it in the shelf that is meant to that. Your work area needs to be clean the whole time, and if you need to lend some tools, you can go to the warehouse, but you need to give your ID card so they can lend them the material you need.
This is the mechanical test area. Here there are 6 machines that let you test the metals, and they are especially here for that. First we have the universal machine. This is the most important machine here. You have a test tube. You're going to put it here, and this part is going to stay there, and this is going to go up until this test tube is going to stretch and break. After that, you're going to get a graph in this computer, and that graph is going to tell you how was the development of the material. You need to do an analysis there, and that's all. Secondly, you have the impact machine. Here you're going to put this test tube here, and you're going to apply a force, and obviously it is going to break, and here you're going to get the total energy used for breaking it. Third, you have this refrigerator. This is for cooling down the metals, so you can be able to test them in different conditions. As we know, a cold metal is different from a room temperature metal.
We have 5 machines that measure the hardness of a metal. First, we have the Brinell. The Brinell, when it measures the hardness of the metal, it doesn't give you the exact measurement. You have to do some calculation first to have the hardness used. Then you have 2 Rödl. The Rödl will give you the calculation, the exact measurement of the hardness. And we have 2 beakers. The beaker has his own microscope. When you can see the metal, you can see through the metal with this one, and then it will give you the hardness used. This is an optical microscope. With this you can see the structure of a metal. This machine sands the metal and the bakelite, leaving it with an appearance like a mirror.
This is a furnace that we heat the metal here and until 600 degrees, and this furnace is covered by ceramic, like these things, these white things, and this can help us to change the characteristic of the metal with the heat. These machines cut with this piece of metal like this, with this that is there, with the help of some refrigerant to avoid heat. These machines help us to make things like this with bakelite, that is this plastic of here.
Polish to the machine, so you have the backlight finished.
Hi. Welcome to the melting section. Metals, it's important to know how to manipulate them. And one example of this is the melting oven. Here we have the oven. We use, for example, aluminum. We put it inside, and this oven heated the aluminum until its melting point. And it's like red when it's so hot. And then we have to carry out and put it in some molds to have parts like this or like this. For the use of this section, we have to use a special suit like the fireman suit and the protections that we see in the walls. That is for the These are the tweezers we use to take out the melted material.
This machine, and the most important in all the laboratory is the optical microscope, because with this you can check the structure of a metal, and with that you can have your own hypothesis and make your own assumptions of what the metal is going to behave.
The most important equipment of this laboratory is this and this equipment, because help us to prepare these things that allow us to see the properties of the metal in another equipment of this laboratory.
For me, this was the most amazing machine because we can do backlights here and we can study more efficiently the metals.
We liked a lot this machine, the universal machine, that let you know the strength of the material, and also the impact machine that let you know the total energy you need to apply to break the metal you are testing.
I believe that the metallography area is one of the most important parts, because here you can see more closely the parts of the properties of the metals, and you can test a lot and you get like all the analysis. But I think that the melting area is the one that is more exciting.